To create an NFT in OpenSea, you must first create a collection to put them in. Like books and libraries, to create a collection, select My Collections on your profile picture. Then click on the Create a Collection option. Here you have to create a logo for your collection and upload it. After the logo, you select the featured image that you have already created. This section is the same images that are placed on your NFTs. Then you choose a banner for your collection in these dimensions. Create your collection name here, and then create a link for this collection, like the example you gave. Then write a description about your collection and choose the category of your collection. Here you can enter other links such as the site and Telegram. In this section, you can connect a wallet address to your collection and set a percentage that will reach you every time the NFTs of this collection are traded. If the specified amount of the transaction reaches you, choose your blockchain here. For a limited time, the sale of all NFTs on all blockchains is completely free and you do not need to pay gas fees. If you put it on Polygon, selling your NFTs is always free. You can determine this for each NFT. In this section, you will see the tokens that you can trade with. You can add other tokens. Then choose how to place your NFT image in this collection. And finally, determine whether the content of your NFTs is suitable for everyone. Then click on the Create option and your collection will be created. Now to create or mint your NFT, click on Create on the profile picture. Enter your NFT here. Your NFT can be sound, image, video or a 3D model. Here you can see the types of acceptable files. Then choose the name of your NFT. If you have a link about your NFT, enter it here. Then write your NFT description and select the collection you made here. If you haven't made a collection, you can't make NFT. Here you can add other details about your NFT. Like color. In this option, you can put a series of content for buyers that only buyers have access to. Here again, determine whether your content is suitable for everyone. In this section, the number of NFTs you want from write this file yourself. I suggest you put this one. Choose your blockchain here, and as I said, if you put it on Polygon, you can mint your NFTs for free and without gas fee. Here you can also find a series of information freeze and you can no longer change them. I suggest not to open this option. Then click on the Create option so that your NFT will be minted. When your NFT is minted, it will enter this page. By clicking on the Sell option, you can sell your NFT. Here you can specify the price and type of sale of your NFT. For example, it should be auctioned or at a fixed price. Enter the amount of currency you receive here. And in this section, set a time to sell your NFTs. Selling NFTs is free for a limited time on OpenSea, on all blockchains. And you no longer need to pay gas fees. If you see this video and this limited period has ended, don't worry. You can mint your NFTs on Polygon and sell your NFTs without paying gas fees. I hope you will be successful in selling your NFTs. In this video that is suggested to you, I introduced you the best social media to promote your NFT. Be sure to watch that video. Until the next video, stay rich.